Hello there, my name is Squid Hooves, and today I'm going to give you a condensed version on how to create one of these things. It's a pretty fun, interesting project, and here we go. Without further ado, first off, you have to print these on a normal computer printer or whatever. And then glue them to whatever you want to build it on. This is a poster board from Walmart's, and then you have to, hasn't been done yet. Here, this is a piece, pardon me, that has been cut already and folded. Folding, you can see on here, this is going to be the base for a unicorn horn. This is the horn. Each line you have to bend. That'll be the next step I show you. Here we go. Computer. These lines are for a mountain fold, which means this peeking up. These will fold down. So to make it folding easier, you take a straight edge, put it on there, and make sure it's straight. Scribe a line with your biro or Bic pen or whatever. That one, I put a slash on it so I know that's a valley fold. And this is going to be mounted. All right, with space age technology, we're going to speed up the process. Now, the next step, we got to precision cut along all of these lines. So I'll do this first cut in regular 1-to-1 time. See, and this is going to be a tab. This actually folds around to this. It's kind of tricky to first making it. Threw me for a loop. All right, with space age technology, we shall speed this up. All right, for the next step, what I like to do is remove the actual template, because when you're gluing it, if you glue to this and then this is not glued to this, your mask will all come apart and it's no fun. So what I'll do is I'll transfer all of these numbers, like there's 71, 72, 70. Alright, now with all the bends in there, you can safely remove this. You can see I just barely put enough of the glue to keep it on there. And this is going to be a unicorn horn. This one's a little tricky to bend, but we'll see if I can do it for you. Alright, it's always good to make sure you kind of line everything up before you stick the glue on there, because once you put the glue on, you only have a second to get it right. And I'm using hot glue, which works pretty well. You can use tape, I guess, but this seems to work good for me. So this is gonna be a little tricky. So we gotta put a bead on here, and then get that back in there, and make sure it lines up precisionally. Right there. Just hold it for a second. These pieces that loop around on themselves are always a little more tricky, and then we'll have to get this into here. As you can see, this is going to be the unicorn horn. These will get stuck inside on the head. This is like the last piece to go on, but I wanted to show you this first. Let's see if I can get this in here. There's you, a unicorn horn. Alright, and then we'll make the base for it. We'll do that later. The next step is I'll show you how to actually start assembling the mask. Well, I forgot to hit record assembling the first few pieces, so here's this.
Yay, Sparkle Farts is ready for a night on the town. Quinny.